Hello everyone, welcome back to Sister Thermal Tutorials. Today we will discuss excess problems of electricity. The theory about electricity is already discussed, it is in the playlist. Please go and watch, then you will understand. If you already watched, please go to these questions. A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash, then ratio R by R dash. So here what is the condition? We have one long wire. What I am doing now? I am cutting into 5 equal parts. Then I am calculating that resistance by connecting parallel. The 5 parts connecting by parallel and calculating resistance. Then what? Then the resistance I will call R dash. Then what is the ratio of R by R dash? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ವೈರ್ ಐತೆ ಆ ವೈರ್ ನ 5 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡಿಡಿ ಆ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೊದಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ವೈರ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ this resistance. First one resistance. Let us take this resistance is R. This wire only I will cut into 5 equal parts. These all are connected to parallel. This is R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Now, in one wire, we are cutting 5 equal parts. So, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 is equal to what? R5. One part R idre, R 5 part madadagirutte R by 5. So, what is equivalent resistance formula? R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R2 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. Substitute value. R1 R by 5 plus 1 by 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 R by 5. If it goes up, means it become 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R. Now what is the LCM? LCM is here you have same. So R. Then you will add 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 20 20, 20 25. 25 by R. What is this? 1 by R equivalent. Now what R equivalent is equal to what? R dash is equal to what? R by 25. So what do you want? You want R by R dash. R is R exactly. R by 25. R will cancel, it goes up. So R by R dash is 25. This is the answer. Here the second question. Which of the following terms does not represent electric power in a circuit? So we have power formula what? P is equal to V into I. This is a power formula. And we have also Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. Is there? It is does not they are asking. It is there. This is not answer. Now check. V is equal to IR. I into R into I. What I did instead of in I place, I replaced IR. So I square R. This one also not answer. I square R. This one also not answer. Next. So R is equal to what? From here, I is equal to what? I is equal to V by R. So P is equal to VI. V by R. V square by R. V square over. This is also an answer. So answer is also answer. Here the next question. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 volt, the power consumed will be. Here you have to calculate power consumed when operating on 110 volt. So solution. Let us take V1 is equal to 220 volt. Power is equal to P1 is equal to 100 watt. V2 is equal to 110 volt. P2 is equal to what? Here they gave a condition. This experiment done on same wire. So here resistance remains constant. From this data, first you have to calculate resistance. Then we can easily get this one. So P is equal to VI. So from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. So from this P is equal to V into V by R. P is equal to V square by R. Here P1 is given how much? 100 watt. Now what you want now here from this I want R. R is equal to V square by V1 square by P1. So V1 is how much? 220. Square means 220 into 220 divided by R. P power how much? 100. This 0 cancel, this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. 20, 484. 22 square 480. Now what we got? We got resistance. R is equal to 484 ohm. So from this next condition. So R is equal to V2 square by P2. P2 how much? 110. 110 into 110. P2. So P2 you have to find out. P2 goes here, R comes here. So 110 into 110 divided by 484. 11 ones are 10. 11 fours are 11 fours are 11 fours are 11 ones are 10. 2s are 5s are 2s are 5s. So V2 is equal to how much? 25. One more interesting question. Two conducting wires of same material of equal lengths, diameters are first connected in series, then parallel in circuit across the same potential difference. The ratio of the heat produced in series and parallel combination would be given. Ratio of find. So what we studied, heat generation is equal to I square into R into T. One formula, other heat generation is equal to P into T, P into T, power into T. Power is nothing but VI into T. So first condition is what? Series connection. In series R. So R is equal to R plus R 2R. Second condition, parallel connected. R. So R equivalent is equal to what? Product of resistance divided sum of resistance. Nothing but R into R divided by r plus r into r square, r into r 2r, 1 r 1 get cancel, r equivalent here is equal to r by 2. So from this hs p generation is equal to v constant, I is what? From this v is equal to ir, I is equal to v by r. Here I, so r is resistance is what? 2r, v is equal to 2r, r plus is 2r, substitute here v by 2r into t. Next hp, p generation in parallel, same, I is equal to v by r here, resistance in parallel, v constant, rp is what? R by 2, that is what? 2v by r. So from this v, I is what? 2v by r into e. Now we want reciprocal. hs by hp is equal to v square by 2r into t divided by 2v square into t divided by r. This t can cancel, this v square we cancel, r get cancelled. So what is that? hs by hp is equal to 1 by 4. That is 1:4. Answer is C. This is one more interesting question. A copper wire has diameter of 0.5 mm, resistivity of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm. What will be the length of this wire to make its resistance 10 ohm? How much does resistance change in the second question? First, let us solve first question. Solution. What is the given data? Copper wire has diameter is given 0.5 mm. Resistivity given rho 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Length you have to calculate. So we know resistance, relation between resistance and length and area. The resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor and inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. This is the relation. Before proceeding into the problem's solution, you have to check the SI units. Here see meter, here millimeter. Let us make convenient 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. To convert millimeter to meter, you have to take 10 to the power minus 3. So I convert this 0.5 into 5, so that's why I took minus 4. Okay, I hope you understand. Now, what I want length. From this R A by rho is equal to L. R. A is what? The area of the cylinder, circle shape. 5 by 4 d square. Divided by rho. This is what? Length. Resistance is given. One more resistance is given. Resistance is what? 10 ohm. So 10 into 3.14 d square, 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 whole square divided by 4 into rho. Rho is what? 1.6. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. Let's simplify. 10 into 3.14 5 25 10 to the power minus 8 divided by 4 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. This one get cancelled. So 2 is 5 is 2 1 2 1 1 7 no 1 5 7 so these two are nearly equal, it cancel. 25 5 is nearly approximate answer 125 meter approximate value. If you calculate exact value, it come 122 meter. You can give this one. Your calculator is not available, so it can proceed this. And one more question: how much does resistance change if the diameter is double? So what is the relation? See here. For resistance and diameter, what is the relation? Resistance is inversely proportional. Inversely proportional. So R inversely proportional. 1 by d square. R is inverse proportional to d square. So double. Double. It will become 1 by 4 times. It will reduce 1 by 4 times. One more fifth question, it is easy, theory related question, already I saw in class. Please go to the playlist. Now it's graph time. The value of the current I flowing in a given resistor for the given corresponding values of potential difference P across the resistors are given below. Here on table is given current and voltage. You have to find resistance based on this data. So to find the resistance, you have to plot one graph. Let us take vertical axis, what we call y-axis, horizontal x-axis, where the two x-axis and y-axis meeting at point is called origin. This is positive x-axis, this is positive y-axis, this is negative x-axis, this is negative y-axis. Here only positive axis is there. No need of this. So better we will take only this coordinate with big. This origin 0. Let us take this side V voltage, this side current. Current scale 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 ampere along x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to, let us take 1 volt along y-axis. 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4 is no, 4.5. Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Now, when current is 0.5 ampere, voltage is 1.6. 1.6 is 1. Nearly here. When current is 1 ampere, 3.4. 3.4 here. When current is 2 ampere, 6.7. 2 6.7 here. When 3 10.2 3 10.2 here. When 4 13.2 joins at least 3 point success means enough. 6 points now here. To find the resistance, you have to take that slope. How to find slope here? This is a slope. This is what voltage. This is what current. So here to here. Or you can take here for this. This slope or this slope. And this slope. So V by I. So R is equal to what? V by I. V, this one. For this point, 6.7 minus 3 minus 6.7 minus 3 6.7 minus 3. This one, this law. Okay, which point is there? 2. Here clear addition. 2 become 3.7. Let's check otherwise here as well. This 2 point. This distance how much? This one. Here this point 10.2. 10.2 minus here 6.7 divided by this one 3.7 by 2, that is 1 point. Here you have to take scale 0.5 means this is 2. This is 2. 0.5 scale you have to take here. So this is 2. It will come to 2. 2 get cancelled. Nearly it will come 3.7 or nearly 3.3 answer will come. Here scale here 0.5. No? Here scale is 1. So you have to take into 0.5. 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2. It goes up. Cancel 3.7 here equal to 3.3 will come. 3.7 answer. Here one more very easy question. When a 12 volt battery is connected across a unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of the resistance of the resistance. What is the given data here? 12 volt. 2.5. So solution given data. Voltage is given 12 volt. Current is given 2.5 milliampere. This question is easy when you know this milli. How to convert this into SI. Otherwise it is difficult. So milli means 10 to the power minus 3. Micro means 10 to the power minus 6. Mega means 10 to the power 6. Kilo means 10 to the power 3. This 4 at least meaning you should know. So this one 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. So according to Ohm's law, resistance is equal to V by I. 12 current is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. If it goes up 12 0.5 4 the, so it will become double, so 4.8 into 10 to the power 3 ohm, that is nothing but 4.8 kilo ohm. Half ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2.4 into 2 4.8 into 10 to the power 3 10 to the power 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಿಲೋ ಓಮ್. So this is also one of the easy question if you know the concept. Here what is the condition? A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with the resistors 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 12 ohm respectively. How much current will flow through the 12 ohm resistors? How they are connected? They are connected by series. So 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 12 ohm. So what is the condition here? In resistors in series, current remains constant. So here your current is constant. Before that, you have to find resistance in series or equivalent resistance. What is that? You can add up 5, 1. So this is 1.4 plus 12. 0.5, 0.51, 1.4 plus 12. How much? 13.4 ohm. What they are asking? Current. Current is equal to, according to Ohm's law, current is equal to V by R. V how much? V is given 9 volt. So RS we got 13.4. 9 by 13.4. If you simplify, you get 0.67 ampere. Here, one more interesting question. This is also based on concept only. How many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere current on 220 volt line? So here, what is the given data? Resistance is given. So 176 ohm parallel to carry current is given 5 ampere. Voltage is given 220 volt. Here what you have to calculate? ಇಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ನ ಇಷ್ಟು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 176 ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ. So what is the condition? Parallel. So R equivalent in resistance, what is the formula? 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by Rp. This is the formula, right? We don't know how much we have. So let us take, so R here is what? Same R1 and R2 and goes on, that is equal to 176. Let us take number of is n. So n by R is 176, 1 by Rp. So from this Rp is equal to 176 by n. Now apply. What is Ohm's law? V is equal to IR. V is how much? 220. I 5 ampere. R 176 by n. I want n. N is equal to 5 into 176 by 220. 5 ones are 44. 11 fours are 11 ones are 11 six are 4 ones are 4 fours are. So n is equal to 4. So how many resistors they require? N is equal to 4 resistors they require. I hope these are questions you understood. If you not understand this, please comment. I will explain one more time. And that's all for today. Remaining 8 questions I will do in the next session. So thank you all.